Now I'll create a template that shows who approved the payment and when. This will help keep a clear record of approval history. First, I'll create a new region and set its type to content row. Then, inside the SQL query section, I'll write a query that shows who approved the payment and the date of approval. Next, I'll go to the Attributes section and add a custom title using HTML. This will make the approval info look more styled and professional on the page. This is an HTML layout for showing payment details. Payment_ID, payment_method, customer_name, payment_date, and payment_amount are Apex substitution variables used inside HTML region. It displays payment info in two parts. Header, payment ID in method. Body, customer name, date, and amount with icons. After that, I added CSS to style the layout, adjusting the spacing, colors, and icons so the payment information looks clean and visually organized. Now while approving, I added extra details using full HTML and SQL so the approval info shows properly. Now I'm going to create another payment record.